What's up, guys? This is Nasar, aka the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. Today we're going to discuss how to succeed as a wholesaler. I know all of you guys want to go out there and make a bunch of money and collect some checks. How exactly do you do that? What's the most important ingredient? We'll talk about that in this video. How to succeed as a wholesaler. Most importantly, you have to work on your mindset. Your mindset has to change. Where you are today, that's due to your thoughts and decisions. Always remember that. Your thoughts and decisions are basically sums up to why you are where you are today. What you have to do is you have to change your mind frame. That was the first thing I changed was my mind frame when I was in the call center. I changed my mind frame. I started reading self-development. I stopped looking at TV. I had to cut out sports for a few years. Some of you guys know I love the Hornets. I had to cut all out for a few years because I had to get my life together. Those guys accomplished their dreams, but it was time for me to accomplish my dreams. Some books, Failing Forward is a good one. Compound Effect is a great one. Think and Grow Rich, A Black Choice, excellent book. Any book by Dennis Kimbrough. These are great books to start off with your mindset. Richest Man in Babylon, classic. Stedman Graham, You Can Make It Happen. That was a game changer for me. What else do you need to become a successful wholesaler? Habits. Habits have to change. You have to understand and apply time management. When I say apply time management, what that means is, for me, I'm going to give you an example of my life. Every Saturday morning, I would get up and drive for dollars, regardless if I felt like it or not. That afternoon, I would then look at the address. If I didn't do it in the afternoon, I did it on Sunday. I would look at the addresses to see what was not owned by the bank so I can send them out a postcard when was something bought, what was not in foreclosure, because at that time, that was the foreclosure crisis. I would then send them a handwritten postcard that I would write out. You don't have to do that no more. You can just get the app, durudriving.com. Code is RealEstate Doru, 7-day free trial, $15 credit, which means 150 free skips, or about 35 postcards for free, but you just got to put the work in. Make sure you do that all within 7 days if you want to take advantage of the free trial. You got to change your habits. So what I would do is, come Monday and Tuesday, the calls will start flowing in. I will put my free Google Voice number on the card. So the calls start coming in now, right? Now the calls coming in, I'm at work. I would either answer them at lunch or after work. As soon as I get home, pull a chair up to the edge of my bed and start calling people back, comping their properties, making offers. You want to get extremely good comping properties, extremely good. I have multiple videos on how to comp properties. You can look at the playlist Wholesaling Tools and you can see those videos. Comping properties is extremely important. Practice. Go on Zillow. Pull an address. Comp it and start making offers. I mean, like, just even if you're not talking to the seller, just write down, okay, for this to work as a deal for me, I would have to be at that price. Try to do it in your market if possible, so that way you can learn areas. Those are the three most important things that I feel that will get you extremely good. Everything else you can work on. You can work on negotiation skills. You can work on all of those other things. The reason why I don't put a heavy focus on negotiation when you're first starting out, that's when you're building the business. It's extremely important. When you're new, you cannot mess up a motivated seller. If a seller is motivated, you cannot mess that up. Becoming a better negotiator, that just comes with time. None of those things require money. Those are the three things that you need to become a successful wholesaler. Notice, I did not mention money, not once, because success cannot be bought. A lot of people feel that they can just go out and buy success, and they are always disappointed that it doesn't come easy. Literally, I know somebody that they spent $30,000 to get a $3,000 deal.
$30,000 to get a $3,000 deal.
Success does not come easy, and you can't buy it. Unfortunately, great person, this is a business that you really have to work it, and it will reward you. Make sure you guys go to 9weekcourse.com to get my free 9-week course. The link is in the description, so you can take advantage of that. Make sure you follow me on IG, Real Estate Doru. Before I let you go, like, comment, and subscribe. And as usual, I wish you much success in your life and in your business. Peace.